Hi, welcome to Geometry. I'm Mrs. Johnson. This is my first year teaching at Hale Ray. I just taught on Hartford for the last 7 years, but I'm really excited to be here. I live in East Hampton, so I think the move will be great, and I'm excited to work with your kids this year. This is my Google Classroom. Kids have access to this every day. I usually post their announcements and their morning work on it, but they always have this big screen of links. So you are more than welcome to click through these links yourself. The big thing would be the geometry syllabus that has all of the coursework and everything you need to know fact-wise about grading and policies laid out for you. Supplies this year, kids just need a binder or a notebook, their choice. Pencils with erasers, please, and a calculator. I highly recommend having their own calculator. We cannot share a classroom set this year. So if you can just check, it just needs to have a square root button on it, nothing too fancy. If you do want to get the official one that they will need in pre-calculus and later in classes, that would be the TI-83. But for geometry purposes, just any calculator will do. If we do get sent home at any point, I would also consider and recommend getting a protractor, compass, and ruler so that they can do some of the work at home a little bit easier. Having them in your hand is a lot easier than doing on the computer programs. Here's our class overview, just based on what the math department is giving us. But the big thing is how geometry connects to other parts of math. So it's kind of cool that kids who like to draw and be creative get to take that spatial reasoning and the shapes and connect it to algebra and other logical reasoning. Grading policies this year is that we're grading on a point system. So if an assignment is out of 10 points and your kid gets an 8 out of 10, that would be an 80. They're getting graded on classwork, group work, exit slips, tests and quizzes, and projects and performance tasks. They can make up any assignment. I am not picky about assignments and makeups, so anything that they want to do within 5 days, they just need to coordinate it themselves, whether that's Google Meet during Rises or coming at some other time to make it up personally. They need to just be responsible for that, and they have an email procedure that they can use as well. Zeros are not permitted. As long as they hand in work, they will get at least 40%. So I'm really trying to keep them organized and motivated to get their work in and done. Please check PowerSchool as often as possible so that you can feel in the loop about what they're doing. And I'm always happy to give another copy or coordinate something with them. So our year ahead looks like this. We're going to start right already. We're already into our vocabulary and notation, and then we'll get into angles. After that, we'll move into parallel lines, doing a lot of stuff with the triangles and the theorems and proving everything. Then to quadrilaterals, why are squares rectangles, but rectangles are not always squares. And finishing out the year with Pythagorean theorem, similar triangles, and circles. Every day we kind of keep the same flow. I like to keep math anxiety low so kids know what to expect and can feel a little bit more confident. So we start with a warm-up, remembering our skills, a mini lesson from me where they take notes, ask their questions, and then we'll do a little mix between textbook, worksheets, manipulative, and online programs. A lot of times I'll have a choice of what works best for them. And lastly, they can grade on an exit slip, so how well did they understand the day's lesson? Again, it's without notes, and it grades me as a teacher just as much. If every kid does great, then I did a really good job as a teacher. If every kid kind of struggled, then I didn't do such a great job as a teacher, and I need to find something else to help them master the skills. Participation is huge, so please encourage your student to participate in any way they can and whenever they feel comfortable, helping classmates, raising their hand, even just trying an answer even if they don't know it, because learning from mistakes is a big way too to help our math. If you have questions or comments, please feel free to reach out. I'm really excited for the year and hope things go as smooth as possible. Kids' homework this week was to go over the syllabus with you and sign an agreement. So if this is new news to you, please try to do that as soon as possible. But otherwise, it's due Friday. Thanks. Have a great week.